Kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, Libra. So, let's see, no? 3 cards, please, for Libra. Please, 3 cards for Libra. 3 cards for Libra, please. Universe, Holy Spirit, please. Yeah. So, 1, 2, and 3, no? So, let's see what's your situation, no, mga Libra natin. So, you have this, no, flirting with others, no, not serious, no. So, meron ditong player na naman, Libra, right? No, so what else? I'm not ready to settle, no. So, that's why, no, because hindi pa nga ready dahil naglalaro pa, no, for some of you. So, maybe non-committal pa itong person na ito, no, that you are dealing with, no, mga Libra natin. So, what else? So, but then, no, you have this, no, I love you, no, fire sign, no. Maybe, for some of you Libra, no, you are dealing with a fire sign, no, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no. So, yeah, no, this person is flirting with others, no. So, kumbaga ay, yeah, no, hindi seryoso. But sinasabi niya, kumbaga, with others, no, maybe this person is not serious, no, with the others, no. So, yeah, kung ang literal lang nakikita ko with the message na I'm not ready to settle, maybe this person is hindi hindi siya yung, kumbaga, parang may mga bagay or there are mga promises na I think ay hindi niya talaga natutupad, no, something like that, no. So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito ng mga Libra, no. But then this person is yeah, may pagka-immature kasi siya, no, maybe sa nature, the way the family raised that person, that's why ganito siya mag-isip, no, something like that, no. So, may mga bagay siya na ginagawa, no, just being immature, no. But then this person is loves you, no, mga Libra, no. So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no. But then, kumbaga meron talaga siyang mga bagay na yeah, just being immature, no. So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no. I don't know if you are still with this person or in separation na. So, yeah. So, kayo lang din nakakaalam nito, no. But then, yeah, I really feel that this person is, siguro,